Hello there, and welcome to Algebra 2 CST release question number 58. It says Jeremy, Michael, Shannon, and Brenda each worked the same math problem at the chalkboard. Each student's work is shown below. Their teacher said that while two of them had the correct answer, only one of them had arrived at the correct conclusion using correct steps. And so here's Jeremy's work, here's Shannon's work, here's Michael's work, and here's Brenda's work. So which one is the completely correct solution? So let's look at each one individually. So it looks like we have x to the third times, we can think of that as times x to the negative 7. Is that the same thing as dividing x to the third and x to the negative 7? No, that's a completely incorrect step right there. So that's not right. That's not good to go. For multiplying them, we can think of this as being the same thing as what Shannon has right here. So this one, if we have multiplication here, I can think of this as being over 1, and then I can put this on the bottom as a positive power. That's okay. So that step checks. And so is this next step right? If I have a 3 and a 7, I can reduce that down. Looks like I can get rid of all the x's here. That gets rid of 3 x's here. That would get rid of 3 x's here. That would be a 4. And so you'd have a 1 left on the top, 1 over x to the fourth, which is exactly what Shannon has right here. That looks like the correct answer to me. So let's check Michael's work though, and let's make sure that's not correct. And same thing with Brenda's work. So this times this, it looks like, no, we did that same thing, the same mistake, Jeremy's initial mistake. This you could put on the bottom, it would have to be a positive 7 power, so that's not right. And then this looks good to start, but then it looks like Brenda had taken this and kind of flip-flopped their roles. This would be this should be 1 over x to the fourth, not x to the fourth by itself. And so that's not the correct answer, not the correct solution. So who got the right things here? It said 2 of them had arrived at the correct answers. It looks like this would be a correct answer because this is the same thing as 1 over x to the positive 4. But Michael's work was incorrect right here. Shannon's work was all good. The process and the final answer was all good for Shannon. So choice C for number 58.